All right, this right here is what you call first start in like 2 years. Old Detroit. We put some new batteries on her, gave her a treat. Look at that. She got a treat, so. Look at that. Look at that. Like nothing. Two cranks. Let's check that out. Mosquito control. Oh, she's coming out the bottom. Yeah. Truck's awesome. I love it. Ready to go. Don't pay attention to those dry rotted tires. They don't mean anything. Just means off-road use. Just a smoke show. Truck's a smoke show. Pushing, we were pulling. That's as far as we got that one right there. You get the right equipment in here, look at this thing. It's not even struggling. Not even struggling at all. But I'm talking about the old Alice Chalmers. This is awesome. We're gonna pull this way out the way. I don't know where yet, but somewhere out in here. All right, we're on a job today. We're running electric up here for a future build site. Right now they're just putting 14 shipping containers. So we're building a pad for their containers. And 2.5 amp electrical service underground ran from that pole. Just up past where that excavator is. You can see some conduit sticking on the ground right there. We're putting a 200 amp pedestal service in. This was just a mud, slippery, get your vehicle stuck every time you pull in here. So we're gonna make a little roadway, pad for those containers, future well. But here's the part that is the coolest feature of this job. Look at that view over there. I don't know if it shows up on the camera as well. That's Tunkhannock Creek Viaduct, known as the Nicholson Bridge. Breathtaking, man. Northeast PA, you gotta love it. So I just built a backboard, 2x6s, got some 4x4s, gonna set them in the ground now, get that part done. We're tweaking our pad with the laser transit. It's coming together nicely. It's off by about 6-7 inches in places, but it'll be there before we know it. But yeah, that's what we're up to, man. And I've lived next to that bridge for 2.5 years. Every time I drive by, I always gotta check it out. Awesome wonder of the world right there. Built 1912, 1915. Look at that thing. Just awesome, beautiful view. It's our Alice Chalmers little Dozer 6-way blade. Not a bad machine, but for what we're doing out there, we need that Dozer there. It's doing a hell of a job. All right, we'll get to work. Machine pushes pretty nice. Got a little action shot. Got some bigger, chunkier stuff. It makes its way to the bottom or breaks itself up. Works out nice. PA Bluestone, you gotta love it. Not sure if it's getting boring, but keep me entertained. Oh, I thought you could do a trick. I forget what the count is. I think we're at 40 tracks loads of this rubble. Makes a great base. That's a good action shot. Look at that, there's a Google guy, Street View. I got a video of him taking a video of me. How many people can say they've done that? I've done it. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go get to work. Can't sit here watching bulldozers all day. Gotta make some money. Gotta love the Jake brake coming down the hill. We got a sweet little treat here. Yeah. So there's materials we're getting. He's hauling heavy, hauling heavy. guy who owns that truck would have me stacking half those rocks on pallets if he was here. Here comes our boy Bud White right now. See what he has to say. Bud, what do you say?
Yeah, I don't want to be photographed.
Yeah.
I'm in a witness protection.
You didn't sign the release yet, did you? Oh yeah. You know the best part about my job? I run a truck like this. So when it comes to like unloading that backboard, which is really heavy, and I'm by myself because he's on that dozer, I could just do this with this. Might lose that ladder, but that's all right. That's fine. Everything's fine. Yeah. Perfect. Now. Yeah. We got the utility body on today. How cool is that? We don't pick things up, put them down anymore. We just let the truck do the work for us. Yeah. It's our old 78 International, 2-stroke Detroit. That thing loves to run. And there's that view again. You see, you can't get enough of it. How awesome's that? Talk about a place for a house up here. It's beautiful. Here goes their boy Bud. Call another load back. Up at the quarry now. Look at this old Komatsu. Thing is massive. She is leaky too. Looks like a little Tonka toy. Man. Obviously, it's not what we're getting right there. He's a good operator, so he's been going through the pile, sorting it out, putting our stuff aside. Can't really understand the size of those gooners. I mean, I'm probably up a good 30 feet right here. There's that cliff face right there. That machine's gonna live the rest of its life here and never get moved out of here. Unless it's in pieces, go in the scrap yard. Look at that. They're taking that, driving all around the edge of that quarry, backing up to that hill and dumping over. That stone's no good for Bluestone for pattern, slate, so they're backfilling that part, working their way over here. These guys are putting some stand-up pallets together. I used to smash my hands all the time putting stand-up on pallets. I hated it, hated it. All right, I get back to work. goes. Now we're gonna load ready for us. The size of that Komatsu is just, it's huge, huge. Big, 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 big hoe. So I'll take a video of that ute going up that hill there. And he's gonna dump up there, over that embankment. You can see him going up there right now. So yeah, I'll pick back up here in a minute. All right, he's on top of that cliff now. He gets swung around back into it. It's pretty high up there. I guess the drilling machine right there. See how high that cliff face is. So that's more of a shaly stone, so they lost their pattern stone, their bluestone. So that's why it's getting backfilled, getting reclaimed. That's a good sized haul truck too. Hope he's not up there eating a sandwich, taking a break while I'm trying to video him. Kind of my luck. Oh, there it goes. There's one of our triaxles coming back, picking up a load. Going up. Gotta watch those power lines, some high voltage lines right there. I think he's got plenty of clearance. That's cool. Well, we need some fuel. We're filling her up right now. Got a 100-gallon tidy tank in the back of the truck. Got butt dumping right now. Just loving shifting that old Mac. I think it's cool. There you go, you're full. Don't worry, don't pay attention to any of that. She's full. That's how we move containers. 40-footer. Chain it right to the back of the dozer. We set them wherever we want. Works out pretty well. Let's see how we're looking here on the other side. Should not hit the other ones. No, plenty of room. Plenty of room. Oh, you might be getting scared. Just taking a shipping container for a little walk. Gotta love it. So yeah, the other day I said I've lived there next to Nicholson Bridge for 2.5 years. I meant 2.5 miles. I don't know why I said years. It's miles. 2.5 miles from the Nicholson Bridge. So it's always cool to just see that bridge. We're moving along here. So we have 3-4 containers set right now. 3 maybe. That's how we're moving them. can't really see it because I'm glaring into the sun. But we have the 5 shipping containers staggered going up that hill. But here's one of the cool, that's horrible video right now. Here's one of the coolest parts of this property. The good old Nicholson Bridge. We got ourselves a hot rail coming up, southbound. Norfolk Southern owns the track now. It was Canadian Pacific a couple years ago, and they ran the holiday train over it. So it was a lit up Christmas train. It was really cool. Let's stop on top of the bridge and just hang out there, blow its horn, and have the lights on. Here it comes. You can see it coming up the valley right now. Well, actually not up the valley, it's on top of the mountain above the valley. See that Lackawanna right there, Lackawanna Railroad. There it is. I've driven over that bridge, many vehicles, about 30 foot wide up there. If I was in that train, I'd be on that horn so bad. All right, I gotta go. There it is. What do we got there, Dominic? See an NS. What's behind it? Union Pacific? Yep, this is where I'm working. All right, we're kicking this one in the butt. We're done up here. That job we're doing in Nicholson. We got the 200 amp service with the 200 amp feed through. Everything's fitted, everything's complete. GFCI is in, ready for inspection. Ground rods are in. So we got a couple C cans here in place. There's the back side of them. They're all done and done. They got a couple more coming, but we're gonna keep the Dozer here, and we got the skid steer back here now. They're all lined up, ready for storage. Lots of them. Then we got a 2-inch conduit and a 1-inch conduit ran up there. We're gonna put a 50, 30, and a 20 amp GFCI up there at the top. I'll run a number 4 wire up there, THHN. There's our bridge. There's the Alice Chalmers. There's the 78 International, the Bobcat. All right, that's it from Nicholson. We're done.